Why are you still gaming with a boring old keyboard? This typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard will blow your mind. Look at those vintage steampunk round keycaps. Those golden rings give it that extra classy vibe. It has 19 amazing lighting effects, ready to illuminate your setup. FM plus ins to switch things up and feel like a pro. Imagine a keyboard where every keystroke counts in intense moments. With anti-ghosting, you won't miss a single shot in your games. Crafted from top-grade aluminum alloy, it's built to last. Comfort? Check. Those adjustable feet are a game changer. You definitely want this beauty on your desk. Grab it now.